Today, I got my new electric scooter because my other one got recalled, so I had to take it apart and ship the part back. But we got a new electric scooter. Here's the box. Just regular size. Here's the brand. We'll open her up here. Got my knife here. Got my knife. I'd film with my phone doing this, but I don't got it, so I have to just settle for this. So now just sit here.
Make sure you pack your lunch thing.
Okay. Jar open. So this is what it looks like in the box. I'm filming this on my Chromebook, so. Here we go. See you guys later. These are parts. Here's a scooter. Okay. Get out of this. Hold this. Gosh, styrofoam in there. Now, got what it looks like. This is gonna be tricky to film and put together the scooter, so I'll pick you guys up after I get it together, okay? Sorry guys. Okay, so I did put the scooter together. This is what it looks like now. And I don't know if you can see it. I can't see it, but yeah, you can't see it, but I broke like right there. The brake and bell thing broke right there by the handlebars. I don't know what I'm gonna have to do. Either I have to super glue it or something. You have to super glue, or I don't know. I'll figure it out. But I'm going to bed, so because it's 9:30, so I'm gonna go to bed. But thank you, guys, for joining me today, and thank you for coming with me through this adventure, journey of life. But I'll see you guys in the next video. See you then.